classes. My name is Vijayalakshmi. I am going to teach you about Hindi subject. Okay? Did you know strokes? Kids, do you know strokes? In before class you have learned, no? Anyone? Did you remember? Okay. Today I am going to show you about strokes. S-T-R-O-K-E-S. Strokes. Okay. What is this called? Kids, what is this? Standing line. Good. After standing line, what is the next? Sleeping line. Good. Standing line after sleeping line. Next, right slanting line. What is this letter called? Right slanting line. After this, left slanting line. What is this line called? Left slanting line. This is right curve. We call it as a C. And left curve. After that, up curve. And then next, this is called down curve. And this one is circle. Okay? This one is, what is this? Standing line, sleeping line, right standing line, left standing line. This is called right curve. This one is left curve. This one up curve. This one down curve. And this one everyone knows. This is called circle. Now you have to say with me, along with me. Okay? Standing line. Good. Sleeping line. Left slanting line. Right slanting line. And next, what is this? Everyone knows, you let us also know. This is, you can say C and right curve. And this one, left curve, up curve, down curve. And the last one is circle. Now, let's count how many are there. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total how many strokes are there? 9 strokes are there. Total how many? 9 strokes. Okay? Kids, do you know why we have learned the strokes? We have learned the strokes to write the Hindi letters very easily. Now I will show what are the letters. Let's see here. These all letters are called Varnamala. Okay? Can you able to see the kids? These all letters are called Varnamala. In Varnamala, we have 2 sections. In Varnamala, we have 2 sections. वर्णमाला में कितने भाग होंगे? 2 भाग होंगे. पहला भाग है स्वर और उसके बाद में व्यंजन. ओके? I will teach you about स्वर. Let's have look. See kids, this is swar. This is all letters called swar and vowels. See kids, these all letters are called swar. Swar means vowels. W-V-O-W-E-L-S. Swar यानी vowels. Swar means vowels. Okay? Tell me vowels. In before you have learned now, before class, vowel means what? A-E-I-O-U. Vowels means A-E-I-O-U. See. A-E-I-O-U. These are vowels in English. But in Hindi, vowel means these letters are called vowels. Okay? So here, see, we will count how many vowels are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Total how many? 13. Okay. First we will. Kids, shall we read how to read the vowels? These vowels were. First one, it is A. A. Open your mouth. A. E. E. U. Oo. Next, Re. A. I. O. Ow. Aha. Next, once again. What is this letter? A. A. E. E. U. Oo. Re. A. I. O. Ow. Aha. Now kids, tell me now, what is this letter? What is this letter? Yes, this letter is called A. And what is this letter? Ah. And now, what is this letter called? E. This letter E. Okay? Now tell me, what is this letter? Come on, good. Re. Okay? What is this letter called? A. Okay? Okay, good. I will record it once again. What is this letter? Read along with me, okay? A. A. E. E. U. Oo. Re. A. I. O. Ow. Aha. Kids, we have learned strokes and swar. Okay? Now we are going to learn what? Small Hindi rhyme. You all want to listen rhyme? Okay? Okay, चल we will learn now. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. Kids, we have learned about strokes and swar. Kids, now we have learned about strokes and swar. Okay, today what we have learned? Strokes and swar. Swar means vowel, you know already. Okay, now today we are going to learn a small poem. Okay, shall we start the poem? Okay, very good. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकाले तो मर जाएगी, पानी में डाले तो तैर जाएगी. Okay? Kids, today we have learned about strokes and introduction of swar. Okay? Practice these two and we will meet in the next class. Okay? Bye.